Namaste children. Today we are going to study about components of food. It is an interesting topic. Why you know? Because we are fond of eating food. Food is essential for us to live, to get energy and to do our work. Everybody in this world is surviving because of food. How we are getting that food? From plants and animals. In last session we have seen that. How we are getting the energy from that food? From nutrients present in that. What are nutrients then? A nutrient is a substance used by an organism to survive, grow and reproduce. These nutrients also help to keep us strong, healthy and free from diseases. They are protecting us from diseases. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals are the main nutrients present in our food. We have another nutrient called phytonutrients which are produced by plant food in a wide range of natural compounds. They prevent us from diseases and enhance immunity. That is, they increase immune power in our body. These nutrients are present in colorful plant-filled meals. This phytonutrients is not given in your text. It's an extra information for you. So, we have to have more plant foods in our diet. Since it enhances immunity, that is, it increases immunity in our body, at current situation, corona can be prevented by increasing our immune system, immune power in our body. These phytonutrients will help us to prevent us from corona. Nutrients are further classified into macronutrients and micronutrients. Carbohydrates, fats and proteins are coming under macronutrients. Vitamins and minerals are coming under micronutrients. We'll start the session with a macronutrient, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are one of the main type of nutrients. They are called energy producers because they are the most important source of energy for our body. Here I have given pictures of banana, potato and all these rice. Whatever is seen here are rich in carbohydrates. They produce more energy to our body. They are classified into simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are called sugars, which we have in our fruits and honey. Complex carbohydrates are called starch, which we have in our bread and rice. Our digestive system helps in changing carbohydrates to glucose, which is our blood sugar. This helps to produce energy for our cells, tissues and organs. Since it produces energy to the body, they are called energy producers. Next we have fats. Fats too produces. Actually, fats produce energy more than carbohydrates. Fats are classified into saturated fats and unsaturated fats. Saturated fats means they contain high proportion of fatty acids in them, which is not good for to be included in our diet. Too much consumption of saturated fats leads to heart diseases. It is present in palm oil and coconut oil. Example for saturated fats are butter and cheese. Unsaturated fats are normally liquid at room temperature. Saturated fats are normally solid at room temperature. Unsaturated fats are normally liquid at room temperature. It is present in plant foods like olive oil and peanut oil. Fats also give warmth to our body. See, in this picture, I have given you cheese, butter, this avocado and even chocolates what we are eating nowadays also contain fats. The last macronutrient is protein. That is essential to build muscle mass. It is commonly found in animal products, but it is also present in nuts and legumes. They are called bodybuilders because it helps in growth. In this picture I have given milk, meat, egg and even some cheese and pulses also have given. They are all rich in proteins which help us to grow. They are classified into plant protein and animal protein. Protein which is obtained from plant are called plant protein, and which is obtained from animals are called animal protein. Chickpea, nuts, soya bean are plant protein. Milk, cheese and eggs are animal protein. Each gram of protein contains 4 calories. Proteins make up about 15% of person's weight. So 15% of person's body weight, it is increasing. It is giving us. So proteins are called building blocks of muscle mass. Hence they are called bodybuilders.